So the Google Pixel 8 Pro hands-on video exposes a function that has never before been seen on a widely used smartphone. You see, the CAD renderings from OnLeaks that revealed Google is making two significant modifications to the design of its next Pixel series gave us an early look at the Pixel 8 Pro. Additionally, a Google-produced official video shows an important health feature that, based on my impressions, will be useful to almost everyone, as well as giving us a real-world, hands-on look at those design improvements. The developer Cuba released this video, and as you can see, it has now been verified that the Pixel 8 Pro now has a flat display rather than a curved one. Though personally, I would want a curved display since it is more visually beautiful, I believe it was a reasonable option given that the primary Google audience chose a flat display. The same number of cameras are present on the rear, however they are all now contained in the same cutout. Recently added to the Pixel 8 Pro is a dedicated infrared thermometer sensor, which is located immediately below the LED flash. As you are aware, a thermometer sensor is used to determine your body's temperature. Google has also shown how this will function on the Pixel 8 Pro. You must first locate the white sensor. Before you start, make sure your forehead is free of any things. The Pixel 8 Pro's sensor should be as near to your forehead as possible without touching it. Within 5 seconds after pressing the start button, place the phone to your temple. When your temperature is taken, the phone will vibrate and the result will be shown on the display. Due to the absence of a dedicated sensor, the ordinary Pixel 8 will not get this functionality. It's interesting to note that the Pixel 8 Pro will be able to gauge the temperature of other things in addition to the human body. All of the information gathered will be processed by the Android Private Compute Core and securely saved locally. Moving on, the camera on the Pixel 8 Pro will also get a significant boost. The new 50 megapixels GN2 sensor from Samsung, which has a sensor size of 1/1.12, or nearly a 1-inch sensor, is reported to be the one that Google will utilize. Contrarily, the Pixel 7 Pro features a 1/1.31 sensor. So, a significant boost. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.